Hello everyone, it's Phil Jones from Projector Reviews, and I was tasked with designing a projection system for an in-wall speaker demonstration room. I opted for a projection system because it allowed us to maximize the amount of speakers we can install in the space. In fact, it allowed us to install 6 different multi-channel surround sound systems in this one room. Epson was gracious enough to provide an LS800 ultra short throw projector, and I reached out to Jaime at Elite Screens to see if they had an acoustically transparent screen that would fit this application. Due to its color accuracy and excellent sound transparency, he recommended the Aeon CineWhite A8K screen, and he shipped me a 123-inch unit. And the screen system is available in sizes ranging from 103 inches to 150 inches diagonal with an aspect ratio of 16:9. The Aeon CineWhite A8K is an edge-free fixed frame screen with an ultra-fine acoustically transparent front projection screen material. The material is matte white with a gain of 1.1, and it offers a 180-degree viewing angle. Since this is not an ambient light rejecting material, it is designed for rooms that are light controlled. It is an ISF-certified material, so it delivers accurate color reproduction in a dark room. The ultra-fine knitted weave of this material minimizes the moire effect, so it works well with high-resolution projectors, whether they're 4K or 8K. Its bonded black backing also eliminates light loss while reducing light reflection. The screen's edge-free design maximizes this viewing area while minimizing the frame's footprint. The ultra-thin black aluminum bezel also provides a polished modern look. It looks pretty much like a large flat panel television. If you want to enhance your screen's appearance further, there's an optional LED backlighting kit, though it is sold separately. The screen assembly was quite easy and can be done by one person, but having a second set of hands would definitely be helpful. One of the things I like about this screen is it ships in a fairly compact box. To minimize the length of the box, the top and bottom horizontal frame pieces are cut in half. The horizontal frame sections are joined using center joint connectors, and the horizontal and vertical sections are connected using elbow joints. The CineWhite A8K material is tensioned to the frame using springs to ensure a flat, taut projection surface. First, rods are inserted through the holes along the edge of the screen. Then the screen material is wrapped around the frame and secured to the frame utilizing the springs. A central support bar reinforces the frame and enhances its rigidity. Adding the black aluminum edge trim cleans up the appearance of the edges and makes the screen look like a giant flat panel television. If you want to dress up the screen more, Elite offers an optional LED light kit, which is sold separately and available on their website. While the screen can be assembled by one person, due to its size, 2 people are required to move it and hang it. Since the black aluminum bezel is thin, the projector must be carefully aligned with the screen to minimize image overspill. We utilized a ceiling-mounted Epson ultra short throw projector in this space, which required careful setup. Once the projector and screen are mounted, you can slide the screen horizontally on the wall mounts to make fine adjustments. There's also holes in the wall mount brackets, which are slotted, which allow the screen to be moved up and down about an inch. Since we carefully measured both the position of the screen and the projector and utilized the adjustability of the projector's ceiling mount, we were able to get the image to fit the screen with minimal digital keystone correction. As you can see, the Aeon CineWhite A8K screen blended seamlessly into this space. Once installed, the picture quality was excellent and on par with other premium Elite Screens systems that I have reviewed in the past. Regarding performance, the Aeon CineWhite A8K excels in delivering excellent picture quality and great audio reproduction. Its acoustically transparent material allows sound to pass through it with minimal sound attenuation. According to Elite Screens, the loss is just 2.96 dB when measured from 8K to 20,000 kilohertz. This makes this screen ideal for setups where the speakers are positioned behind the screen, and it ensures your audio fidelity is uncompromised. The goal of this space is to demonstrate the sound quality differences between several different in-wall sound systems. And as you can see behind the screen, there is a ton of speakers. I took the time to compare the sound quality of some of the sound systems with the screen in place and with the screen removed. And sonically, I could not detect the difference. While sound quality is the thing that we're demonstrating, I wanted to make sure that the picture quality lived up to the audio experience. The bright ultra short throw LS800 projector delivered a colorful image, especially when the lights were switched off. Since this screen is matte white, having the lights on does wash out the image, so you need to make sure that you have good lighting control. The 1.1 gain matte white screen is compatible with both standard and ultra short throw projectors. We thought about several different types of projectors for this space. We thought about maybe using a long throw projector in the back of the room, or maybe an ultra short throw projector sitting on a cabinet. But in the end, we decided to go with a ceiling mounted ultra short throw projector. The nice thing about this material was we had the flexibility of choosing any type of projector we wanted to utilize. While we're using a ultra short throw projector in this space, I also tried the screen out utilizing an 8K projector and a couple of 4K LCOS projectors, and the picture looked great and there was no visible moire. There's a couple of reasons why I like acoustically transparent screens. First, it allows you to put the center channel directly behind the screen, so the dialogue comes from the screen. And this is really beneficial as the screens get larger and larger and larger. The next thing is you can have a larger screen because you can put all the speakers behind the screen, because you don't have to make space around the screen to place your speakers. Elite Screens has worked hard to minimize some of the common shortcomings of an acoustically transparent screen. It offers minimal attenuation, so most of the sound goes right through the screen unobstructed. They've minimized the amount of moire that is often seen when utilizing a screen like this with a high-resolution projector. And its bonded black backing helps reduce the amount of light leakage and back reflection that could hamper your image. Compared to some of the other acoustic transparent materials offered by Elite Screens, such as the Cine 4D AT, the CineWhite A8K is not equipped with ambient light rejecting capabilities, but it is more acoustically transparent and offers a wider viewing angle. Overall, I was impressed with this Elite Screen's build quality and performance, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a matte white screen in one of its available sizes and aspect ratios. So the Aeon CineWhite A8K screen system is highly recommended. To learn more about this screen and other screens offered by Elite Screens, check out elitescreens.com and continue to check out our reviews of some cool screens and other accessories that go with your projection system. So take care, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.